Hello folks, it's Monday morning for you guys. It's the weekend for us. We're finally getting some of our tomato plants planted and peppers, and we planted a little bit more corn, and beans is finally starting to come up there after that little rain we had yesterday evening. What we generally do, maybe right or wrong, but it's just what we've done. We've had luck in the past with it. We'll put about a tablespoon of this here down in our hole, and then also we're going to add gypsum. That will be help with the calcium. Eggshells work good. I believe Brother Bill uses eggshells, and he also, I believe he crushed up some gypsum board, sheetrock. That's what's inside of it there. I may be wrong about that, but I believe that's what he said. And we'll put just a little bit of dirt on top of that, just to where the roots aren't sitting right straight on top of the fertilizer, and we don't want to burn the roots or anything. And then we'll just come behind and put a little bit of dirt. Daniel's done went through and dug our holes, and let's get started. All right, put this down in the hole, then I couldn't find my quarter cup, but we'll put about a quarter cup of the gypsum down in there. Put just a little bit of dirt, and then we'll grab us out a plant here. What ones we're starting off with is the Saucy Ladies. It's supposed to be a good sauce and canning tomato. This is the first year we've grown these. Just sort of move your roots around a little bit there. Press it down in. It won't take a whole lot. We'll grab us a handful of dirt here, and then we'll go on down to the next one. We'll all three get to working together here, and we'll get this planted pretty quick, hopefully. Folks, hopefully you've seen that there. Got started right off the bat. Handle broke. I don't know if I've told you or not. At a lot of food city, food country, food line, grocery stores, back in the where they make the cakes, a lot of times if you'll ask them, this used to be an icing pail. They worked great the first year. But just be careful. The second year, the handle might give out on you. Just a little tip. folks. You can see we pulled the shade cloth over. This is just for the time being till we get done planting. Alrighty folks, we'll take you over here and show you the plants we planted today. We put the shade cloth on today just for where we'd have a little bit of shade when we was doing some planting. As you can tell, we've shortened it up from what it was there. We took the plastic off of it this time, this go around, and we're just going to be using it for the shade cloth. And since we're going to do that, we may actually go ahead and get some of the, spread those back out to where later on this summer, when it gets really hot, if it gets really hot this year, to where we can have shade cloth on that whole stretch of tomatoes. We've got 3 rows inside there. We're going to be planting some more here on the outside. We're going to have 2 more rows right up through here, and still got to plant our peppers, but we'll go over there. Me and Dan will take that off right now. We're just going to pull it over the back side there, and we'll just leave it there for later on. Alrighty folks, finally got them in today. Got 3 rows like I was telling you there. Gotta clean that up. Peppers will be going over there, the 4th row over, and then we'll have 2 more rows of tomatoes on the outside. I don't have the drip tape set up right now. It rained some, but not enough to do anything about watering the tomatoes. I'll come down through and water these here shortly. But that's about it for today. I gotta go out here and take the tiller off and get the hay roller hooked back. Not that, don't look like we're gonna need it here anytime soon. We got our last field of hay mowed. It's rained on it 2 evenings in a row. Not bad, just enough to mess it up some. Folks, hope y'all have a great day. As far as that goes, a great week. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday. Thank you again for watching.